Follow along for this easy and quick step-by-step process to make this classic game show costume. You need a piece of foam board, red poster board, yellow cardstock, double-sided tape, silver duct tape, rope, and an X-Acto knife. Cut your foam board to a rectangle shape that is comfortable for you. Cut the poster board to cover the rectangular shape. Apply some double-sided tape and attach the poster board to the foam board. Take the silver tape and add a border around the edge of the board. I measured my board, found the Price is Right font online, and cut out the numbers for my bid. Use the double-sided tape to add the numbers to the board. I used another sheet of yellow cardstock and a black Sharpie to make the name tag. This can be found on a Google search. Cut a piece of rope that will be long enough to have your sign around your waist. Make a cut in the top corner of each side of the game board. Push one end of the rope through the hole. The stiff board and tape should keep it in place. If you like, you can add a knot. To add your name tag to your shirt, use a piece of duct tape, or if you have an old button, you can attach it to the name tag. Put on your most comfortable outfit, add your bid, and your costume is complete. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.